Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss the examples of closed sets in topological spaces. So our first example is in discrete topological space. We will work out for the closed sets in this topology TOR1. In discrete topology consists of only two members, the set phi and the set x. Now, because phi and x, these are open sets. Now we can find their complements. The complement of phi, that is given by x minus phi, that is x. Complement of phi, because phi is open, so its complement will be closed. So it means x is closed set. And also the complement of x, that is x minus x, which is phi. So phi is closed because x is open, so its complement will be closed. So we have obtained the closed sets in this topology are phi and the set x. And these are also open, so we can say that the sets phi and x, these are closed as well as open sets in this topology. Now, our next example is discrete topological space. Discrete topology is the collection of all the subsets of x. It means the power set of x, that is discrete topology. Now, we are to work out for the closed sets in this topology. Now, because every subset of x is a member of this topology, so we can say that every subset of x is open, and therefore every subset of x is closed also, because the complement of every set, that is also a subset of x. So we can say that complement is always open. So every subset of set x will be closed also. So we can say that all the members of discrete topology are open as well as closed. Now, our next example is cofinite topological space. So let us consider the topology TOR3, which is cofinite topology, the collection of all those subsets A of x which are either empty or their complement is finite. We find closed sets in this topology, and we show that in this topological space, any proper non-empty subset of x is closed if and only if it is finite. So let us take non-empty proper subset of x which is closed. So let A be subset of x which is closed. This is non-empty, and A is proper subset of x. It means A is not equal to x. Now because A is closed, so its complement will be open. Complement of A is x minus A, so this is open. And also x minus A is non-empty, and this is open. Therefore, its complement will be finite, because the members which are open, they belongs to this topology, and the members of this topology are the members whose complement is finite. So complement of x minus A will be finite. Now complement of x minus A, that is A, so A is finite. Thus we have proved that if A is non-empty proper closed subset of x, then it is finite. And conversely, let us take A subset of x is finite. We prove that A is closed in x. Now, because A is finite, and if we find we can write A in the form x minus A. This is finite. The complement of a set is finite, then the set belongs to the cofinite topology. So this set x minus A belongs to the topology TOR3. It means it is open, so its complement will be closed. So A is closed set. So we have proved that in cofinite topological space, a proper non-empty subset of X is closed if and only if it is finite. Now, next we discuss closed sets in co-countable topology. In this topology, we proved that any proper subset of X is closed if and only if it is countable. Now, co-countable topology is denoted by tau4, and this is the collection of all those subsets of X which are either empty or their complement is countable. So let us take A subset of X be closed, A is non-empty, and A is proper subset of X. Now A is closed, so by definition of closed set, its complement will be open. Complement of A is X minus A. X minus A is open. Now, by definition, because X minus A is open and also this is non-empty because A is not equal to X, so by definition of this topology, the complement of X minus A is countable. It means A is countable. Thus, we have proved that if A is non-empty, proper, closed subset of X, then it is countable. And converse is also true. Means if we have a countable subset of X, then it is closed. Now, because A is countable, so A can be written in the form X minus A. A is countable means this set is countable. And if complement of a set is countable, then the set belongs to co-countable topology. So, X minus A belongs to the topology tau4. It means the set is open. So, by definition, its complement will be closed. So, we can say that A is closed. Thus, we have proved that a proper subset of co-countable topological space is closed if and only if it is countable. Now, let us see some more problems based on closed sets. If we are given a set consisting of elements A, B and C, and tau is the collection of the sets phi, X, singleton A, and the set consisting of elements B and C. This tau is a topology on the set X. Now, we will find out the closed sets. Now, if you find the complement of singleton A, that will be X minus singleton A. So, that will be the set consisting of elements B and C. And this set is already a member of topology tau. So, we can say that complement of singleton A is open. And therefore, the set singleton A, that is a closed set. Now, let us prove that the set consisting of elements B and C, that is also closed. Let us find a complement of this set. Complement of this set is singleton A, that is also a member of tau. Means complement of this set is open. So, the set consisting of elements B and C, that is closed. And phi and X, they are closed in every topological space. So, we have obtained all the closed sets which are given by the set phi, the set X, the set consisting of element A, and the set consisting of elements B and C. Now, our next problem is, if A is a real number, show that singleton A is closed set in usual topology for the set of real numbers. Let us find the complement of this set. By definition, complement of singleton A, that is given by R minus singleton A. And that can further be written as the union of the open intervals minus infinity to A and A to infinity. Now, these open intervals are open sets in usual topology, and so their union, that is also open. So, we can say that complement of singleton A is open. And by definition, if the complement of a set is open, then the set is closed. So we can say that singleton X is closed set in usual topology. So these were some of the examples related to closed sets in various topological spaces.